What is ATS applicant tracking system? Imagine an HR receiving hundreds of resumes every day. Do you think it's humanly possible to shortlist candidates manually? That's where ATS comes into the picture. ATS is a software that helps companies to rank resumes based on their fit for the job opening. ATS scans your resume for the keywords and matches them with the company requirements. Even if you fall a little short of the company requirement keywords, you are out of the system. Thanks to ATS. In 2024, with AI and ATS in the picture, your resume will likely be seen first by these systems and later by a human. Hence, it is crucial to customize your resume for the job you are applying for and make sure your resume matches the important keywords. Hacks to create ATS Friendly Resume. Now, as you are aware of the gatekeeper Mr. ATS, let's talk about how we can overcome ATS. Keep it minimal and simple. Crafting a fancy resume will make you stand out when HR is seeing, not when ATS is scanning. As ATS heavily relies on structured formats to parse information. Using fancy fonts, tables, columns, or non-standard headings can confuse the system, leading to inaccurate interpretation of your skills and experience. Keywords are the king. Once you have been through the job listing, make sure to incorporate important keywords from there to your resume. Resumes lacking relevant keywords from the job description might get filtered out. Hence, we emphasize the need to tailor your resume for each application by incorporating the specific skills and qualifications mentioned in the job posting. Use full forms. Often we use abbreviations and acronyms to show our knowledge, but using abbreviations and acronyms without proper explanation can leave the ATS in the dark. Always spell out the full term first, followed by the abbreviation in parentheses, ensuring clarity for both the system and potential human reviewers. Avoid images and charts. We are tempted to make our resume fancy by adding images and charts to represent our skills, though images, charts, or other non-textual elements might not be recognized by the ATS, potentially leading to crucial information being disregarded. Stick to plain text and avoid using these elements in your resume. File types. Now this is the most crucial point, and things get trickier as well. Old ATS tools struggle with .pdf files and prefer simple text, whereas modern ATS accepts .pdf, .doc, and other formats. We recommend going with .pdf as it is the most common and safest option, as it preserves the formatting and layout of your resume exactly how you designed it. On the other hand, in docs there's a slight chance that the formatting might shift slightly when opened in different versions of Word, so it's important to carefully review your resume after converting it to docs. Avoid using other formats like .jpg, .png, rich text formats, RTF, HTML files, and any specific software-created formats like those from Microsoft Publisher or Adobe InDesign.